Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I try to show best resources for web development. Resources compares YouTube channels. All of these resources are free. These YouTube channels are listed in my personal opinion. You can find the channel's addresses in the description section of the video. Have a good watching. Let's get started. First YouTube channel is DevEd. This channel is most beautiful for who wants to learn front-end skills. In this way, tutorials on different topics will show you what you can do with HTML, CSS and JavaScript only. You will also learn how to do wonders with JavaScript. I suggest you look at DevEd's JavaScript tutorials. Second YouTube channel is the NİNJA. This is best for me. In my opinion, NİNJA best YouTube channel about backend and frontend. These videos are most enlightening about coding for beginner and people who are good at this. There are over 1000 free programming tutorials about modern JavaScript, Node.js, React, Vue.js, MongoDB, PHP and MySQL, Laravel, and many more topics. These are free. Yes, you heard right. It's free. You can really improve your programming skills with the NİNJA. Specifically, I recommend it to you check the Node.js tutorials of the NİNJA. Next channel is Coding Garden. If you are fond of practice and want to practice differently with different languages, you have come to the right place. There are endless practice on this channel. Yes, here. Hosted by CG, Coding Garden is an open, interactive, engaging community where any coder, from beginner to veteran, can learn and grow. Whether it's a tutorial, Q&A session, algorithmic problem solving, or full application design and build, there is always something new to learn. Coding Garden is a complete problem solver. Also, you will see how to creating weather app, URL shortener, and different clone of apps. If you want long and real programming videos, this channel is exactly for you. Next amazing channel is Clever Programmer. You can find the next level programming lessons here. Also expect programming tips and tricks that will take your coding skills to the next level. Also, you will learn how to build Robinhood, Twitch and Telegram and so on clone with React. For example, build a TikTok clone with MongoDB, Express, React, Node.js video is so amazing. So, the last name of channel is Online Tutorials. Online Tutorials is a channel for learning complete responsive website design, creative CSS animation and hover effects, amazing vanilla JavaScript projects, creative UX and UI design using HTML and CSS and much more. If you don't like long videos, the channel I am going to show you now is just for you. You will have fun and learn about frontend by spending a short time. There are short, impressive, useful CSS skills and different animation effects in this channel.